Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Loom for LinkedIn video outreach. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Loom for LinkedIn video outreach, start by ensuring that you have both a Loom account and a LinkedIn account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Loom website. Log into your Loom account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Integrations tab on the Loom dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab to explore the available options. Find the LinkedIn integration option in the list of integrations. Click on the Connect button next to the LinkedIn integration. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to authorize Loom to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions that Loom is requesting. If you agree, click the Allow or Authorize button to proceed. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to the Loom dashboard. Check that a confirmation message indicates the successful connection of Loom and LinkedIn. Now, create a new video in Loom by clicking on the New Video button. Record your content, ensuring you cover all relevant points for your LinkedIn outreach. Once you finish recording, click Stop Recording to finalize your video. Edit your video if necessary, utilizing Loom's editing features for a polished finish. Once satisfied, click the Share button to generate a shareable link for the video. Copy the link provided by Loom for your video. Navigate to your LinkedIn account in a new tab. Create a new post or message where you want to share the Loom video. Paste the Loom video link into your LinkedIn post or message. Add any accompanying text you'd like to include alongside the video. Preview your post to ensure everything appears correctly. Finally, click Post or Send to share your Loom video with your LinkedIn connections. You have now successfully authenticated Loom for LinkedIn video outreach. Your video is ready to help you engage with your audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.